Now, I'll show you guys something. So, in order to, you know, I showed you guys how to take the door panel off, how to take the mirror off. And if you watch the other videos, I show you how to take this belt molding off on this door. This one's a little more tricky. The front's the same as these guys here. It's right here about the middle, so if you can get behind here, yeah, it's right here in the middle. And you'll kind of feel the, and always peel up this way. Don't just yank, it'll bend. Peel this way and up. Now, you can't take this molding off without taking the mirror off. I mean, you probably can, but you'll destroy the molding. So if you take the mirror off, I gotta show you this. I don't know if the camera can get in here, but this clip right here sits right here underneath the mirror base. So it's kind of hard to get to this molding clip without taking the mirror off. This is good if you want to paint your car. This is the right way to do it. Pull all these off so when they paint it, it's done smooth and correctly. I'm gonna put this back on, but going back on the same way too. Just, you know, line up the holes where it goes, and this thing should just, you can hear the clip. That's it. Until it slides on. Very simple. There's also another video if you want to watch this molding on the driver's side. You'll have that video as well.